Welcome to Physics for You. Today we are going to discuss about viscosity. If there exists a relative velocity between two adjacent layers of a flowing fluid, the layer gets subjected to tangential force so as to destroy their relative velocities. This tangential force are called viscous force, and the property is known as viscosity of the fluid. Why does honey flow more slowly than water? It is due to viscosity. But what is viscosity? Viscosity is the measure of the resistance of flow. For example, water flows much faster than honey when poured from a container. What causes difference in viscosity? The looser the molecular bonds, the weaker the intermolecular force. This equates a lower viscosity. The tighter the molecular bonds, the stronger the intermolecular force. This equates a higher viscosity. Now, here you can see the flow of a fluid through a tube, and the speed of the fluid is maximum through the axial region and it is decreasing gradually when we proceed towards the edge. And the velocity profile is shown in this graph, where you can see the variation of velocity with distance, and near the edge the velocity is 0, and with increase in distance the velocity is increasing, and at a distance y the velocity is given by c, and at some distance say y plus dy the velocity is given by c plus dc. Now a quantity called velocity gradient, which gives the measure of change of velocity with respect to distance, the rate of change of velocity with respect to distance. So velocity gradient is equal to change in velocity by change in distance, and this is given by dc dy. What is streamline flow? What is turbulent flow? Here the images for different flow are given here, for streamline, for turbulent. Now, what is streamline flow? When a fluid's particle all move along the same smooth path, the flow is said to be a streamline or laminar. In streamline flow, each path that the particle follow is called streamline. No two streamline can cross each other. Now what is turbulent flow? When fluid surpasses a certain velocity, the flow becomes irregular or turbulent. This also occurs in the situation in which the fluid can experience abrupt change in velocity. The motion of the fluid in turbulent flow can become irregular and will not always be in same direction as the velocity. Now what is critical velocity? Critical velocity is defined as the transitional velocity of the liquid particle below which the motion of the liquid remains streamline and above the motion becomes turbulent. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel Physics for You. Bye bye.